Hi everyone, in front of me I've got WACOM MovinkPad 11, and let me share with you how to turn off ads and their personalizations. So let's begin with the Google and the personalized ads. Let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section scroll down to the very bottom and tap on Google. Then let's go to all services, and no worries, you don't have to be logged in to be able to reset the advertising ID. In all services, scroll and find ads. And here we've got our section which we were looking for. So first of all, I highly recommend to reset advertising ID and then delete it. And obviously this operation will not limit the ads per se, but it will limit the apps which are personalized and which are showing you the content which you might like to buy. So I think it's still a good operation to do. So as I said, first of all, reset advertising ID, tap on it and tap on confirm, and then tap on delete advertising ID. Here, of course, you've got the information about this operation. Tap on delete advertising ID, and as you can see, it will immediately disappear. Another thing which you can do is to try to limit the notifications from apps which are showing you the advertisements. So let's pretend I've got it in the Play Store. So I receive a lot of notifications about the advertisements. So just tap on it and hold it, and then tap on App Info. And then let's go to notifications. And right here we've got all of the notification categories which are turned on. So all you have to do is to find the alert, the notification which is connected with the advertisements, and turn it off. So for example, payments, deals and recommendations. Just tap on this switcher and your device will not show you the notifications connected with the advertisements. Another thing which I highly recommend to do is to actually download the ad blocker. So go to the Play Store. Right here, be aware, because you will be able to follow my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device. So you can check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this specific device. Here you can tap on search app and games and enter ad block or ad blocker or something like that. Just search for the apps and find the app which will be the most suitable for you, because you can use the browser with built-in ad blocker, or you can simply use another, for example, content blocker, etc. And remember to use those apps which are highly rated, so for sure they will be safe enough. Moreover, if you're using the apps which are showing you the advertisements, you can try to consider replacing them with the alternatives without the advertisements. So you need to do some research in Play Store. For example, if you're using the third-party app for the file manager, then you can try to find another file manager which will not show you the advertisements. And the last thing which I recommend to do is to go to the settings. Then in this left section, go to the network and internet and tap on private DNS. So we've got the automatic option applied. So let's tap on private DNS provider hostname and tap on this section. And all you have to enter here is dns.adguard.com. and tap on save. Basically, this option will limit the advertisements which you will see. Be aware, because sometimes the specific websites will block this option and you will not be able to search, you will not be able to enter it, but no worries. All you have to do then is to simply go to this private DNS, set it on automatic, go to the website, do whatever you want there, and then come back here and turn on the private DNS again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.